Morning, morning. How's everyone doing? Why is that everyone's first fucking thing? Thoughts on gold? I don't know. I'm not really looking at it anymore. I'm happy with. I've got my 3 setups for the week. They're running nice and fine. So, Sky Bree, can you trade another pair consistently? And Fred, can you trade another pair consistently? Stop focusing on gold, trust me. You don't do Insta lives. For some reason I'm banned. Like, whenever I go to do an Instagram live, it just comes up and says this feature is not available for you. Look. Counts down, says at this time your account is not eligible for Instagram live. Don't know why. No idea. The last gold trade last night entered it at 0.5 instead of 0.05, risky by accident. TikTok, no, because I just get banned every time. If I'm to do TikTok, then I literally have to just do my face, and I'm not all about that. Like, so I mean, any time I put up chart work, it's always, I always get banned. So fuck them. You're focused on GA right now. Good. Good. Can you upload yesterday's Twitch onto YouTube? Yeah, I will do. I will do. I was expecting Harrison to come around and start fucking streaming, so I didn't get it up. Do you post trades in the group? I post trades in the elite group, yes. Here is my AUD trades, Euro AUD trades, GA trades. Those are the only trades that I've sent out this week, and they're all running. I haven't updated them. GA's running. What's GA running on at the moment? GA is currently 135. Euro AUD is 83, and AUD USD is running 66. So, what is a swing trade? A swing trade is basically holding a trade for a long period of time. Scalping is, 10, 15 minutes maybe a little bit longer. Day trade, intraday is like on a daily basis. You in GBP CADs? Yeah. It's been dicking around though for a while. I'm looking for a return back down to around 71.700. But it's just slow. Don't know why. In Euro GBP as well. Again, looking for Euro GBP to push up into 86 200. I'm all good, bro. I'm all good. Any pairs to be on the lookout for? I don't know. Maybe GBP CAD possibly. GBP CADs, like, we seem to be failing to break above 1.72. 1, 2, 3 touches. So potentially wait for this to break down below, react off of the trend line, maybe reject in this this area again, and then push down. Have you ever put in a trade on live stream? No, because mine, a lot of my trades, like I posted these ones, and they were, so this is my time, 7:09 a.m. is my time, so that would have been 6, 5, 4 a.m. in the morning. So a lot of people wouldn't be up for me to put those in, and that's the same. Euro CHF, yeah, that's Connor's trade. Could you see GBP AUD flying for sure? I mean, that's the analysis, bro. I mean, not flying, not looking to it for it to fly up. How many members have you got currently in the elite group? 554, 53, something like that. 551. What's the most you've made on a currency trades? Do you know what? It's been a long time that I've actually traded like currencies like this. They're normally small moves because I'm normally trading gold. Change the music since you've been out of gold. Meditation. Bro, lo-fi music is just the one when you're trading. Nice and relaxed. Like, do you know what? Like I said to you yesterday on stream, I ain't traded gold once this week, and I don't even miss it. Don't even miss it. Like, seeing people getting all frustrated and stuff like that, like, not interested. Like, gold's one of those things that is, it'll cause you so much stress. I saw a video on TikTok yesterday of some guy saying, what's the easiest pair to trade? I think it's gold. I mean, fair enough. If you figured out gold, you'd be the first person to figure it out. But have you stopped doing the Sunday YouTube breakdowns? Nah, do you know what it is? It's just, I don't know, like, I find doing this a lot more appealing because it's an easier setup. In order for me to do YouTube videos, I haven't got a camera anymore because fucking Harrison lost it. So I have to use like my iPhone, and then I have to like put it on the fucking screen and all this sort of bollocks. It just takes too much time. Whereas I could do this, I can do like a breakdown and stuff like that and upload it to YouTube. Harrison needs to go to the UK and get the camera. He said he'd just buy me another one, or he'd give me his camera, but I haven't had that yet. Exactly, gold you're just looking at all the fucking time. GA, EA, AU, they're all risk free. I don't even have to check on them now. And the fun thing about getting into setups like this is you just add on the way down. Do you know what I mean? You just add positions on the way down. And the funny thing is, for all the fucking about on gold and, you know, loss here, win here, loss here, win here, you could have placed 3 or 4 positions on a currency pair and pulled 1,000, 2,000 pips. Do you know what I mean? Whereas you've been sat there stressed, fucking getting violated by gold this way, then like adding to your positions and this, that, and the other, and before you know it, you've only actually ended up with like 100, 200 pip move, maybe like a 1% or 2% move. Whereas a position like this, you can just add to it, and by the end of the whole thing, you might have fucking 10%. You added any on GA since your call out? No, not yet. Not yet. You don't really want to be adding to it at this point in time. I want to see things break, be retested, and then potentially add positions in. Also, I want to, you know, follow the dailies on the way down. You know, if this daily has a nice, you know, push down, then yeah, I'll be looking for potentially tapping back into 91, 92. But realistically, I want to see this break. I want to see this break first before I add another position in. But the trend is strong. The weeklies turning bearish as well after this nice big engulfing candle last week. Same with EA. EA is the whole reason why I took these setups anyway, because we finally broke out of this range here on AUD pairs. So, you know, I want to see a continuation, break out of here, and just keep following it down. AUD USD as well, same sort of deal. We had this nice push after tapping into this area. Filled as well, hence why the setup is down here. And rejected up nicely due to the news and stuff. And then, yeah, hopefully see a breakout of this downtrend that we've been in. You know, we've got this at the moment. And yeah, just when it gets into setups like this, just follow it on the daily. Nice and simple. Just follow it on the daily time frame. Exactly, gold, you know, unless you're very, very lucky to catch the top and the bottom and stuff like that, you don't have to look. Thoughts on Euro GBP going long? Look, I don't know if it's going to be going where I thought it was going, but I expect to return into 86 at least. 86. Then I'll pull out of my positions and yeah. GBP CAD seems to be having a little bit of a push down, which is good. But we'll see. That AUD USD was a snipe. Yeah, it was. Do you know what? I was waiting. I was toying with it because I wanted a little bit more of a push down into the 78 and the 61, but I saw this just tap into this imbalance here, reject nicely, so I just like, right, jump in. Because even from there to there is only, 30 odd pips. But the hurdle will be, we are into this, but we could see this sort of thing return and then continuation. Are you GFX or AJS in the Telegram group chat? Only me. Bro, I'm sorry I got a fucking advert. I didn't hear what you said about Euro GBP. Euro GBP, I'm looking for 86. A return to 86 and then potentially down from there. I'm going to see. Fuck off, adverts. Got 3 ads in a row, Adam. Can retire now. Guys, I'll be honest, I make little to no money off of Twitch. I'll be honest. I think out of the 4 or 5 months I've been Twitch streaming, I've made like $60. $60. Not a lot. Not an awful lot. Yeah, everything's moving. Everything's moving. Euro AUD, GBP AUD, AUD USD. So, like, chilling. Have you got a trade with AUD USD? Yes. This one. You still got the wagon? No, I got rid of the wagon last year. Gold at daily pivot level. Maybe. I don't know. I'm so much more enjoying not fucking stressing over gold. Every single Telegram group out there is trading gold and either winning or losing a lot of money, winning bits of money. I'm trying to just stay away from it, to be honest. It's not that I can't trade it, I just can't be bothered with the stress. That's what I'm saying. Every single person. You know, Archie's been good and bad on it the last couple of weeks. Like, do you know what I mean? I'll end this week on having taken 3 setups and they're just in nice, decent profit. I can continue to hold. Do you know what I mean? Swing trading is so much more relaxing. Yeah, but I did anticipated that the news anyway. GU sells. I'm not too sure, you know. I'm not too sure because it's looking to be weak DXY news. Even for NFP, looks to be a lower figure, which would be weaker dollar. And like I said, on the DXY side, we've got this big old imbalance down here that we could see a return to. So we almost pushed up, swiped the liquidity from this area. You know, we could see a little tap and plummet. Same with yields. Again, you know, long push up. On AUD, I got out last night, got worried, rookie mistake, but got back in at the same position. What were the 3 setups you put in the group chat? It was AUD, USD, GA, and EA. So, AUD buys, Euro AUD sell, and GBP AUD sell. So, all risk free. These haven't been updated, but I hate just putting fucking more and more crap in my section just to update. When it was going crazy last night, I took out profits on the peak, and this morning where it's at the same position I took out, I got back in. Most people do that, bro. What are you expecting to happen from the AUD USD buy, bro? Continue to go up. I'd hope. Just a continuation. Look, a lot of my stuff is based on the higher time frame. Higher time frame, so weekly and monthly. So we had this nice big push off of 64 and closed above. So I was looking for this gap to be filled on this candle here, on this weekly, and to continue to the upside. Tapped back in to this imbalance, rejection, waiting for the imbalance to be filled, boom, nice rejection off, and just a continuation. I have a question. In the free group, they put, for example, buy limits at 22.95, but it never actually reaches. That's because I already know that Archie put in a buy limit, and then I'm pretty sure. So that was the buy limit. Yes, and that's the sell limit. Where's the buy limit? Where's the buy limit? There's a gold buy. There's a gold buy. There's a gold buy. Gold buy. Gold buy. I'm not seeing the limit yet. Buy limit triggered. Is it this one? 22.95. I'm not seeing this 22.95 buy limit. $22.91. Sell limit. Yeah, I'm not. Where's the buy limit? Oh no, that was a sell limit. It was AJS's for gold, then he cancelled. Oh, it was an example. So if limits are there and they're not triggered, then the trader might put out like hasn't triggered but buy now type thing. Sell in the middle of a buy was weird. That's just hedging, to be honest. Like you can do it with pairs. You know, there might be a circumstance where I go, right, okay, we've got a nice break here. I might buy the retracement back up and then sell the retracement, but I'm still holding sells from up here. Basically yesterday Archie put out, yeah, but right, this is what I'm saying about signals, okay? So, gold signals are not always going to be pinpoint accurate, right? Because price can move very, very quickly. Especially gold, especially around the time of news and all that jazz coming out. I think he pretty much said that it moved that quickly. So people that did just buy at whatever time, you know, you might have already been at TP1, but that's gold. Same with US30, same with NASDAQ. This is why you will only really get pinpoint accurate setups from taking pairs that are structured in a swing type way. Do you know what I mean? Giving someone an area and a stop loss that is reasonably big. You know, this one's 126 pip stop loss. Risking 0.66%, so a little bit more than 0.5%, but price could have sort of stayed in around this area for quite a long time and then started to move. But with gold, I mean, it's a very tough one. Not really moved much on GU, to be honest. No trades this week from you this week. They are all from last week, I'm guessing. Sorry? One, two, three. All sent yesterday. Three setups. Quality over quantity, my man. Quality over quantity is something that everybody should be focusing towards. Not just throwing out fucking setup after setup after setup. Euro USD thinking about shorting if price breaks to about 106875. What do you reckon? I just wouldn't be trading anything USD wise unless you're already in. But AUD USD doesn't follow what what GBP USD and Euro USD do all the time. So if you can see, look, GBP USD is kind of selling off. Euro USD, same sort of thing. Whereas with AUD USD, it's not really following the same. Do you know what I mean? See, it's pushing still. There's no kind of sell-off. So Euro USD broken back into the ascending channel. So, you know, you could potentially tap back into here and then push back up. Like I said, with Euro USD, I've been waiting for the 61 and the 78 to be tapped into. And that might come off the back of NFP. Thoughts on funded accounts? Each their own. I don't really trust prop firms, so I'm going to have a little bit of a negative bias towards funded accounts. The problem you've also got is that they thrive on people that are just starting out. Oh, here's 200k of capital for you to trade with. But if you don't know how to trade, how are you going to preserve that 200k capital and make money on it? You're not. Do you know what I mean? But then you've gone and spent like $300-400 on buying that prop firm account, when you could have just put that $300-400 focused on percentages, not actual money. And you know, the hardest part about this is seeing yourself in, you know, large amounts of profit and large amounts of drawdown. Okay, but if you're starting out and you're using 300 quid in the correct lot sizes and risking the correct percentages, you'll sit there and feel completely different about seeing yourself in £2 drawdown compared to £2,000 drawdown. Do you know what I mean? Regardless of it being demo money. So, I mean, any trades from the Ingress investment group today? I don't know. So much easier to make profit with your own rules rather than following someone else's. Exactly. I mean, don't get me wrong. They've got rules in there that make sense. You know, certain percentage drawdown and this, that, and the other. Funded accounts just don't fit my style of trading. I'm a swing trader, so you know, I have to deal with a little bit more of a wider stop and all that sort of stuff. Is the group chat Adam Trades different to the elite group? No, it's the elite group. What's the music? It's just some lo-fi radio on YouTube. Nicely moving, nicely moving. No, it wasn't. That's AJS. Look at what it says at the bottom. But I had it marked out anyway. Not too sure though. GA doesn't always move like that, my bram. It can definitely move a lot more volatile, but yeah, it's slow and steady. Slow and steady. We've got 32 minutes until the 4-hour close, so if you're not sure, I'm not going in that trade. Look, it ain't my analysis. It's not my analysis. I've got my own analysis, so it's one of them. AJS is a very good trader, so I respect his analysis for sure. I think the guy's got something stupid like a 91% win rate or something like that. So, and he's been trading for a fair amount of years. I'm good. Pretty shit weather though today in Dubai, I'm not gonna lie. Wind and rain and all that sort of stuff last night. How do you even find these people to put trades in the group? Do you know them? Look, some people message me and say about becoming traders and this, that, the other. They do have to go through trials, but AJS is someone that I've known of for about a year. He's one of these low-key guys, which is cool. I respect that. In regards to your MT4 loss, so when you tap on the trade, is there a swap fee or a commission for placing that trade? Do you stay in Dubai over summer, counting down the days till when I move? No. Well, I say no. I'll try and spend a few weeks out of Dubai in the peak of the summer. But, I mean, just stay inside. Stay inside, aircon on. As long as you go somewhere where it's fucking a nice pool, you can chill in the pool, you're alright. Oh yeah, that's cleared up. Yeah, it'll be down to commission and swap fees. If you are with a broker that charges you a commission to place the trade, or a swap fee is taken when you hold a trade overnight. More of a chill guy, yeah, for 100%. You've got to be chilled when you're doing this. Are you with Axie? I am, yes. Yo, yo. Joining the elite group tomorrow, and to be honest with you, I'm bouncing about due to excitement. It's just a good community in there. I mean, it's a good community of guys. Everybody's on the same journey. There's a bit of banter that goes on in there. There's lots of other things for you to get involved with, so it's one of those. Good morning. Good morning. Thoughts on JVC? Told you I'm moving to Marina, but it's only temp apartment for starting, but not sure where to go after. JVC is one of those places. It's like an up and coming area. It's very, very built up with lots of projects, but you know, a lot of those projects are looking to be completed. You know, in the next couple of years. It's got the. It's not tram, is it? Fucking. I don't know what they call it. I've forgotten it now. I've never been on it, but it's all right. I didn't mind. I had a decent studio when I came back from Thailand, and that was like £1,300 a month, brand new, nice pool, all that sort of stuff, very modern. It just depends on what your necessities are. It's definitely a lot cheaper than Marina, but Marina's like, you know, I can't even compare it to, so say like downtown Business Bay is like London, like centre of London, obviously nicer. Marina's like, I don't know, say for argument's sake, Brighton, but a lot nicer. Very touristy, but it's where people live more of the, I don't know, beach life and all that sort of stuff. Beach club vibes, all that. What are the main differences between the free group and the elite group? The free group, you have no ability to talk. It is just FX stuff, copying and pasting. Whereas the elite group is, you know, community. You've got general chats, so it's people just talking all through the day.
It's very, very active. Chart work section, so everybody putting out their own setups, you know, giving their own bias, profit results, all of that sort of stuff. Sports betting goes off pretty much every day.
Real prices, real photos, real properties.
My education, which, you know, pretty much everybody gets in the free group anyway. Fitness and gear cycles, people talking about the gym. We've got Clash of Clans clan now, like we started that up not too long ago. We've got Archie, we've got me, we've got Connor, we've got Calvin, we've got GFX still, watch trading, so guys buying and selling watches, weekly pip count, sub affiliates if people want to join the sub affiliate team. We've got Deco who does crypto stuff, just loads and loads of shit. Loads and loads of shit. Thoughts on Andrew Tate? I haven't really got one, to be honest. You know, he's good for mentality and mindset stuff. There you go. Look, Matt Williams. He's in the elite group. Any idea when we will get some more crypto stuff? I haven't really spoken to the guy, to be honest. But I think he was going through a bit of a rough time, so he stopped sending me some stuff because I think he stopped trading some crypto for a while. How much is the elite group? It's £100 a month. Do I get added to all them groups you just showed when I joined the elite group? Yeah, they're just topics within a Telegram channel. Yeah, you can join whenever. I don't think Jake's awake, my mod, but my mod will put it in the chat at some point. Did you say something about a copy trading for Archie's trades the other day? Yeah, there's gonna be one made for the free group, essentially. Yeah, you can join the elite group now. How did you meet HS? I met him in Malia. What am I doing? I think Saturday I'm just going to this beach that we always go to because we haven't been there for a while, so I'm just gonna go there, chill Saturday, and then Sunday back to work. You don't need to message me, you just need to message at HS Elites Bots. I would put it in the chat, but I can't write. Hold on. Let me see if I can write it on the app. Ugh. Okay. No, I can't. It's Matt. It's elites. So S at the end of the elites, and then bot. Get a few birds. Nah, bro. I've got I'm happily engaged. Happily engaged. There we go. And I can't even pin that to the top, but that is the bot. That's cool. I leave all of that. I live my curiosity through Harrison. So, what's it called? Where you live something through someone else? Where's she at? She's at work, bro. She works. I'm 16, can I still join? Yes, bro, you don't need to sign up with any ID. Cue the why does she work if you're rich? No, bro, I've said to her many, many times, you can stop working if you want, but she is like in the same industry as what I used to be in, so providing a service for somebody else, i.e. she's an eyelash technician and her twin sister does nails, so they work together. But she just enjoys it, so I mean, I think if she was just chilling around the apartment all the time, like, she'd piss me off. So if she enjoys what she does, I leave her to it. She doesn't even want her own like shop or anything like that either, because there's not a lot of money to be made in that kind of thing. But yeah, don't get me wrong. Once I stick a kid in her, she'll be chilling out a lot more. Still hitting the gym now and again. Like, I'll be honest, where I've just been so busy all the time, it gets to the evenings and like wanting to train, and I just can't be fucked. I'll be honest. Can I cancel the elite group after a month? You can. Same way you sign up, you just cancel it through the bot. When you're planning on doing that, I'll get married first before I do any of that shit. So maybe next year. Signing up now. Cool. Project Gunter. What the hell? What is Project Gunter? What age are you? 25? Nah, bro. 37. Old man. So you just put your trades in the free group chat in video format. I give insight and education, yes. But to be fair, I was sat on live yesterday and these were still around entry, so anybody could have got in on them. You look good for 37. Ah, thank you, bro. I'd say it's not a lot of stress, but I'd be lying. Reckon I should still be in the investment group and the elite. Yeah, stay in the two. Are all the elite group invited to the wedding? Yeah. Yeah, and the fucking stag do as well. And the stag do. Problem is, it's Harrison that's involved in fucking sorting out the stag do. So that can... I'd just see it being like another Hangover movie. Yeah, for sure. I did it with an elite group member the other day. Met him. He was over on holiday. Went and kicked Kima for a bit. I got my Bitcoin the other day. I'm so stupid. Honestly, you had to accept it. Oh, you got it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was getting confused when you were saying about he'd sent you Bitcoin and all that sort of shit. So we're all in the cell for the night. Yeah, something like that, or just fucking somewhere. What does your missus think of HS? Look, my missus is 2 years younger than me, so she just sees him as young guy having fun. Young guy having fun. What time and where? I don't know. It's down to Harrison to organise. Are you involved with Calvin's Crypto? I don't know who's Calvin's Crypto. Yeah, anybody that's in the elite group I'll meet up with I did it with Roy the other day. Calvin from the Elite Group is running his own crypto. Oh, is he? First I known about that. First I knew about that. But thanks for informing me, because I'll ask him about that now. Cats in the doghouse. Well, it's one of them. Like I've said to every single person in there, like, do you know what I mean? If you start your own group, even the traders and shit like that, if you start your own group, then you need to let me know. No, he's just said he promoted a meme coin. Yeah, it's a fucking meme coin. I don't trust. I got asked to do the same thing. I don't trust any of those sort of things. All that meme coin stuff. Fuck me, it's hot in here. Yeah, I don't trust any of that meme coin stuff, to be honest. Seems shady. How many members are in the elite group? I think there's 552 now, because someone just signed up. I think I'm only like 10 minutes from you a lot. Anyway, my apartment is next to Pier 7. Yep. You are indeed. Pier 7 is... do you know what? I've lived in Marina for a year and a half now, and I only went to Pier 7 for the first time last week, and that was to meet my real estate agent. I went to... Is it Asia? What was the 3 trades you said you're in? Missed them from adverts listening to you whilst driving around. I'm in AUD, USD, GA and EA. Both moving, all of them are moving very nicely. Hi mate, you believe the best way to become a full-time trader and get capital is to put, say, 800 a month for 3 years into a personal account rather than waste on fundeds? Yes, I do. Compound from the outside and the in. I was literally typing out you need to go to Asia. For me, do you know what? It's one of them. I've been to most of the nice restaurants in Dubai, and I don't get the appeal for them. Do you know what I mean? It's okay, it's some nice food, but it's not like, wow. I think most of these places, if you're into taking your Instagram pictures and, you know, tagging that you're at some fancy restaurant, then, you know, that ain't me. got GCSEs coming up, so I doubt I'll be able to catch most of the elite trades. It's one of those, bro. It's the pros and cons of the elite with any Telegram group. We'll need to show you the hot spots. Yeah. Bro. It depends on your age and what you're into. I know a lot of the typical places, but again, not really my thing. Kima's nice. Kima's a nice place. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I've got to jump off for a bit. I will be back on probably in another 2 hours or so. I've got to do some bits and go out. But I will see you, man, later on.